Yeah, exactly.
Alright, everybody like pick a direction and head that way.
Okay. Gonna go and kill some people. We might win today, we'll see. Nemo kinda scary. Good to have him back though.
The game mode today was Escalation Free-for-All. So basically everyone is on their own team until one player is shot. That player has to stand where they were shot until an enemy guy comes and attacks them, then they join that enemy player's team. And the game ends obviously when there's only one team left. It's a very fun game mode and we had a lot of fun playing it today, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I think Hoax is telling that little guy that I might shoot him. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just spawn right over there and I should be able to get you.
I think it just be both the boys in there.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Zap you immediately.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I got you. The other guy might try to shoot me though. You're good. All right, double back. Copy. You're good. Sweet, sweet. All right, push up to what? Oh, is that? All right, sounds good. Nemo's behind us. All right, bud, watch our right side from the fortress, because we got one guy that's trying to flank around. And I'll watch our directly ahead. I'll watch ahead of us this way. You watch our left side, okay? I mean our right side, my bad. Right side. Yeah, sounds good. Once you're hit, you just stay still until someone tags you. So infinite lives, but you're changing teams. Copy. Woo. I didn't think I was gonna hit you there. Yeah, we got one guy that's in the middle of the space so far. Right now we're kind of just in this little hole up here. Yeah, it looks like they got 3 people. They're gonna pick up the 4th and then push towards us. So we got one little dude who's on our team up in this little area right here. Watch your shots, he's out of range. I'm gonna push up and take him out if you want to take left side. Bang, 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 bang. Sweet, sweet. Back to the fortress! Double time, double time. Go, go, go. He's on our team. Let's move. Go ahead of me. I'll give you cover fire. Keep going. You keep running. Keep running. Just hold up in the castle. Yeah, I get no worries. Take your time. Alright, they're flanking around on the right side, which is good. Just keep walking. Yeah, go ahead and keep walking. Walking pace. We're good now. Falling back to your position, Nemo. Enemies are all on the right side. None of them have range to us yet. Once we make it back to the fortress, we just shell up. We win if we stay alive. Yeah, no worries. Take a break, you're good. Yeah. No, just leave it where it is. I know, bud. Yeah, they're gathering up by that front A-frame. I'm gonna go more to our left in case they try to rush us. Watch your range. What? No. Yeah.
They've got the wind and they're not hitting us right now.
Yeah. Yeah, they got one guy on that pallet box and 2 people on that A-frame. Just keep waiting. Yeah, Nemo, hold your position by those bushes. You with the drum mag, come over to where I am. You don't have to run, they're not in range right now. Yeah, so Senior Drum Mag, I want you on this A-frame that I'm at. I'm gonna push up to a barricade up ahead of us. Yeah, because currently they don't have range at us right here, so you're safe in this area. I'm just gonna push up to this barricade right over here, so that way if they flank. Oh, they're pushing right side, pushing right side. Only 3 of them. Push up back to those bushes. I'm trying to think. Hold on. Hold position. So we're not with Rick. If we get fire support chance for now. Yeah, actually, Nemo, pull back. I want to draw them in more. Yeah, so hold your position by the A-frame. I'm going to go for that piece of cover right over there. Yeah, so Nemo, we're gonna hold up. We're in this L formation. I want you and the little guy in the barricade, because if they move up to that bush, we can shoot them from that angle, or you guys can hose them down. Right there or A-frame, either one's okay. I'd probably say A-frame just so you're more protected, but that can work too. Targets down, hold position, do not move out. I'm gonna cross, Nemo.
Alright, shoot that.
All right, LMG, Nemo, move up to these bushes. Give me cover fire. I'm gonna try to grab snack. Copy, give me covering fire. Go, go, go. Covering fire! Covering fire! All right, push back from the bushes. They got good range on us. Push back, push back. I'll get cover fire. Go, go. Pull back, retreat. Sweet. All right, everyone rest up. Does anyone need a water or anything?
No, my battery's dead.
Battery's dead?
Yeah.
Copy. I got pistol, that's about it.
Okay.
I want a pistol.
Oh, you want the pistol? If you guys want to trade pistol and M4, that's okay with me. Transitioning. Here, let me go see it. Let me see it real quick.
What, the pistol?
Yeah, the pistol, real quick.
Oh, okay.
Make sure. Yeah, you're good. You have to pull it really hard. Try both fingers, both trigger fingers. There you go.
You want this back?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you need me to give you some extra BBs, I can.
Okay. You got like a speed loader or something?
I do not, unfortunately. I just have a BB bottle on me.
Okay.
Traded out the speed loader for the water bottle. What?
Aren't you the one with the John Wick pistol?
Yeah.
How much was it going for?
What?
How much is it?
Do you want to head back to staging, or do you want to like, do you have a secondary weapon for him?
Oh, I got a secondary weapon for him.
Alright.
Yeah, if he wants to head back to staging, though, he can if he wants to. Go ahead and ask him, though.
Yes, yeah, small people can stand on the hay bale so that they can overlook the wall. That's why they're there.
But on the barrel, can I?
Not on the barrel.
Hey, Bale.
Barrels are not, they don't have like enough weight in them.
Yeah, we'll just keep holding position until they push us. Because we could try to assault them with the superior numbers, but I don't know how that assault's gonna. Well, it could actually work out. We'll try it in a bit if they don't push us. All right, so game plan: we're gonna hold our position for a couple minutes. If they don't push us, then we'll push them with the same strategy we used earlier. We're just gonna attack them from 3 different directions.
Good?
He just likes to charge. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm just filling up.
Yeah, sounds good. That was sneaky though, how we got snack. It's pretty good.
I tried to run up, but then my gun wasn't firing.
So anybody have any plans for the weekend?
Me, no. I got a Halloween party that's going on later tonight that I gotta go to. Yep.
But is it an airsoft Halloween party?
No, just regular Halloween party. Mostly girls, some boys. Hey, we got a guy raising up his hand.
What, does he have a question?
No, he's just waving hello.
What if I shoot
Yeah, their range is about 20-30 feet out from us.
I will shoot you in the ass. If you shoot the bird, I will shoot you in the butt.
You're gonna get a warning if you shoot the bird.
Yeah, I don't know shooting animals.
Probably not.
No.
It'd probably either die or be paralyzed.
I kill birds.
Okay, let's see here. How do I want to plan this assault?
It's really easy.
All right, I think we're gonna go ahead and assault. What? We're thinking about it. All right,
He just
so.
said that he was gonna do that.
All right, guys.
When you say it like that, it makes me think they're laying on.
All right, so when we rush them, I need everyone out of the hill. No one stays in it, right? Sounds good. Okay. So what I want is you back there. Can you come over here for a second?
Oh,
Back here.
alright.
Come up.
I'm not good at running though.
You don't need to run for this part.
Good at shooting?
No.
I just needed a laser suppressor fire. That's it from his position. So come over here.
Just full auto up there.
So no. Well, when we push up, you're gonna be going up to those bushes and you're gonna be shooting into their position because from there you have range to them. They're behind that barricade. See their heads popping up a little bit?
I saw that gun.
Oh yeah, all right.
Yeah. So
I'll go behind from here and then.
yeah, from there you're gonna go into the bush. I'm gonna be with you, but then once we make it to the bush, I'm gonna start running along that right path. Nemo and Snack, you guys are gonna push from the left side. Try to use the cover on the left side. Don't go too far out though, because we want to pin them down and suppress them with as many shots as possible. And you, I want you with me as well. So we're gonna push on the right side.
Do you have a YouTube?
I do.
Oh.
Sweet. All right, so me, you, and him pushing up to the bush. You two guys pushing left side. Sounds good?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it, team. All right. All right.
I'll just
Hold
shoot
position.
somewhere
I want them to go a little bit before us. Sounds good. Yeah, towards the trench, but not too far towards the trench. All right, guys, push forward. Let's go. All right, full auto on. Let's lay down suppressive fire. Push, push. I got you covered, fire. Copy, copy, you're good, you're good. Sorry for overhosing you. He's down, he's down. That look good?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, dude. Your gun died.
It did? Yeah. That's what I figured.
You shot me right in the knee, bro.
Is that why you had your hand up?
Yeah. Good job,
I
guys.
was gonna shoot
Good
him.
push.
I forgot you were still
Hey, good
there.
push.
Thank you. This works
Good push.
really well, dude.
Good defense, guys. You killed
Yeah.
3 out of 5 of us, so we were on that push. I knew it would happen, that like 3 of us would die at least. But I was like, at least the one of us is gonna make it in.
Rush, but I was like, I have a feeling that Foxy's gonna probably try to flank us instead of just a full rush. There's no way he's just gonna do full rush.
No, there's
Yeah,
no way
I
in this
saw one of the
position.
guys that were running straight at us right here.
Yeah, good job, guys. Got him. Yeah.
Let's go. Because I saw you pointing, I was like, oh, he's planning something.
Yeah. He planted something.
That synchronized attack was brilliant. Please tell me you were recording.